Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install YouTube Kids app on your mobile. So if you want to have a YouTube Kids app for your children, you can just simply find it on the Play Store if you're on Android, and find it on App Store if you are using iOS. So here, let's just go to the Play Store since I'm using Android device. And here you can just, click on the search at the bottom. And then just type in YouTube Kids. Okay. Okay, so this is the YouTube Kids app. Now you can just tap on install. And after this, you can now just wait for the downloading process to finish. After that, the installation process will begin. So let's just wait. The downloading will be done in seconds. Okay, so now the downloading is done, and now the YouTube Kids will begin installing. You can just wait, and after the installation process is done, you can just launch the app. Okay, so now the installation is completed. Now you can click on open, and the YouTube Kids app will be opened. So this is the YouTube Kids app. What you need to do is just click on get started. Here you can also click on show video if you want to see the tutorial on how you can set up the YouTube Kids app, but I'm going to just skip it. So I actually already have an account on the YouTube Kids app, so I'm going to just click on sign in here, then click on next, and just like that, here I will be signed in successfully, and I can just choose the profile for my kids in here. Then the YouTube Kids app will starting, and you can just choose which channel that you want to watch. Click on it, and you can watch the YouTube Kids app. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and also click on a thanks. Bye.